What's up guys, it's Lindsay. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're gonna be getting ready to go to Europe. Guys, I am so excited. I can't even tell you how I'm feeling right now. there's just so many emotions, so much excitement. It's my first Europe trip ever. We're gonna be going to Stockholm, Sweden, and Oslo, Norway. My brother, well, he's my brother-in-law, but I just call him my brother. He's from Stockholm, Sweden. So we're lucky enough to be staying with some of his family out there. There's just so much to get done this week. I've got to pack, I've got to run errands, you know, get my nails done, all the fun stuff. So I'm just gonna take you guys along with me. Let's go. Okay, so here are the Dr. Scholl's time off sneakers that I keep hearing about, like on TikTok. They do have my size. I'm gonna try them on, but I didn't wear socks, so I'm gonna see if they have little socks for me to wear. Okay, I have a really wide foot, so I usually try to find the wide sizes. So this is a 7.5 wide. They're pretty cute. I mean, it's probably not a good sign that these are like supposed to be brand new and they already look dirty. What? Alright, let's try them on just for sizing. Definitely comfortable, but they're a little stiff. I don't know if that's just a matter of breaking them in. But I kind of want to look at the New Balances too while I'm here and just see what they have in stock. Okay, these are really cute, but I guess New Balance doesn't carry wide unless I'm wrong. I don't see anything like wide size because these are cute. But they all look really like too narrow for my foot, honestly, which I'm disappointed. These are really cute too, but again, they look so narrow, and I don't think they carry them in wide. Oh well. Let's check out the clearance section just for the heck of it. They don't really have a lot of sneakers. Like, they do have these New Balances, but again, too narrow. Oh my gosh, how adorable are these? They're probably super uncomfortable, but are you kidding me with the butterflies? That is so cute. Guys, what are these? Wait, why do I feel these would actually fit my wide ass feet? Okay, but this is not what I came to buy. But they're so cute. Should I get them? Maybe? They're really cute. Oh no. I don't need them, but they're so comfortable and they actually fit my wide feet. Do you know how rare that is? With cute heels. And they're so chic. And they're on sale. Oh my god. This is not good. Alright, so we got some shoes, but they are not what I actually came here to buy. But why am I the way that I am? I don't know. Alright, we gotta find some walking shoes. I don't know if they're gonna have a lot of options here, but let's see what we can find. Okay, I picked a couple of different brands out. These are probably not the most, like, I don't know, these are just Nordstrom Rack brand, but they were actually really cute. I know that at DSW I said I wasn't sure about New Balance, but these actually fit me and they weren't, I just went a size up and they fit my wide foot not too bad. And then these, I've never actually heard of this brand. Do you guys know if this brand is any good? They're cute, they're basic. I just wish it didn't have the logo on it, but the New Balance has a logo too. to Ulta. I'm running really low on my Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation, my Ride or Die. I have a coupon that expires today, so I'm really crossing my fingers hoping they have my shade in person, because otherwise I'm gonna have to order it online and just pray that it gets here on time. So wish me luck. Okay, so the good news is that they had my shade. The bad news is the coupon that I had, my dumbass forgot that it's not the prestige brands. So it was full price, but I needed it, so we had to buy it. All right, time to go home. Okay, I just got to my friend's house. She's gonna do my nails for me. I'm so excited because I never get my nails done. This is what my nails always look like. They are just boring. My boring nails. I'm gonna go get some French tips. So let's go. Guys, the nails look so pretty. She did such a gorgeous job. I'm so happy with how they turned out. I gotta go home and I have a crap ton of laundry to do so that I can actually start packing and getting my suitcase ready to go. Alright guys, I just got back home from getting the nails done. They look so beautiful. I'm obsessed with them. We just have so much laundry to do right now. I'm gonna do a bunch of loads of laundry so that I can start putting some outfits together. So I have one more load on the laundry, but this is kind of what I'm working with so far. let me show you guys some of the things I picked out. Okay, starting off with bottoms, I'm gonna bring these kind of like tan cream colored pants. I've got some other jeans, just in case it's like a little colder at nighttime. It is supposed to rain a little bit while we're there, so I don't know if there's gonna be a few colder days or nights, but I have 2 pants. I'm gonna bring 1 mini skirt. This kind of goes with so many tops, so this is like a really staple piece. And then I have 1 more skirt, this pretty green color, and then I'm gonna bring a pair of shorts. Okay, those are all the bottoms. Tops, this one's for more of like a cutesy, way more cutesy, not very casual, but I made this one, so I really want to wear it, bring it with me. Got this thrifted top, really cute. Also thrifted this top. I think this one will look really pretty with that green skirt. This one I bought. This is the one I just bought at Marshall's. I really love this one. I think this one will look really cute with the mini skirt. And then I have 2 blouses. I think I should pack maybe 2 just regular t-shirts also. These I thought were really pretty. And then this is like the same exact style, but it's just the red. We have 2 swimsuits that I got from Old Navy, just in case we go swimming at the lake or something. Gonna bring these. I've got some pajamas that I love. These 2, this is kind of like a pajama dress, but I can also sort of like lounge in it to just hang out. We've got 2 dresses. Normally I would bring more than 2 dresses, but I feel like I'm gonna want to buy some stuff there. So I've got this one, and then this one's cute. Just white with some flowers. Got a jean jacket, and I got this, like, I don't know what this fabric is, but a little bit of a lighter jacket for the daytime. I don't know if I'm gonna need a raincoat because of the rain, but I could always just buy one while I'm there. And lastly, as of clothes for right now, since I do have like a couple smaller things still in the wash, these are kind of just like for layering on top of shirts or tanks. I got this little lacy thing, whatever you want to call this. Another, like, I don't know, is this crochet or knit or something? Like a little cardigan that I can throw on top of something. And then I've got another little like cover up style thing that's longer. Just for like layering on top of other things. Just for like layering on top of other things. All right, I've got all my packing cubes ready to go. Let's get packing. Okay guys, I just hopped out the shower. Josh and I are gonna go on a little dinner date night, since I won't be seeing him for 2 weeks. And then I'm gonna come back later tonight, finish packing my carry-on and figure out what I'm gonna wear on the plane and just pack a couple snacks. Okay, I'm gonna get ready. Okay, for the airport, I think I'm just gonna bring plain white shirt, sports bra, comfy, and then I just have some like flare pants, and then of course we need a hoodie, really cozy. Lay this out, and of course some sneakers. Okay guys, I already packed this, so let me just show you. I got all the snacks from Trader Joe's in here. I bought some gifts for our hosts, and then I've also got more snacks, a ton of tortillas, because I guess they don't have good tortillas there, so we're gonna bring up. Alright, carry-on is all packed. Ready. I just have to do my personal bag. Alright guys, it is about 11:30. I'm absolutely dead exhausted, but we got everything packed and ready for tomorrow. So I'm gonna head to bed, but thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!